Hey, if you are working on VS Code and VS Code suggesting you the code which you do not want and you want to disable it, so what you need to do, go to here in the extension and search for GitHub Copilot, something like that, and let's go there. Here, GitHub Codebase and GitHub Copilot. You just need to uninstall this, and also this one you need to uninstall this one again. And one more thing you need to do, go to setting here, again click here on the setting and search here disable AI, and there is a option chat disable AI feature, so you need to click here. So after clicking it, let's test it. So now I'm not getting any suggestion like previously you have seen. So follow for more tips and subscribe my channel.